Hello everyone. Today we will be doing exercise 7.2 of coordinate geometry NCERT class 10. So हमने last video में एक formula देखा था, that is section formula, and which states that if we have 2 points, say A and B, and is a point P in between AB, and we want this ratio AP upon PM to be m is to n. M is to n. So if the coordinates of point A is x1 comma y1 and B is x2 comma y2, and say the coordinate of point P is x comma y. So we know that what we know in terms of variable, we know x1, y1, x2, y2, m and n, and we want to find x comma y. So the formula states that x comma y is equal to m x2 plus n x1 upon m plus n, comma m y2 plus n y1 upon m plus n. So in this exercise we will be using this formula. So the question 1 and 2 are pretty straightforward. You just have to put the values and get the answer. And question 3 is what? So it is a long question. The question says that lines have been drawn, chalk, okay, 1 meter, 100 flower pots have been placed at 1 meter gap, and Niharika runs 1/4 of the total distance AD. Okay, on the second line, Preeti runs 1/5 of the distance AD. 8th line, what is the distance between both the flags? If okay, it is just a simple question. So if consider this as y and consider this as x, so its x coordinate is 8 and this coordinate is 20, because it is 1/5 and total is 100. So 1/5 into 100 is 20, and in the same way it is 2 comma 25, because 1/4 of 100 is 25. Now first you have marked these points. Suppose it is A, no, suppose it is P and it is Q. So you have to find the distance between PQ. What is the distance? So it can be easily found by that distance formula. If Rashmi has to post a blue flag exactly halfway, and you just have to add these two to get the midpoint. So midpoint will be 2 plus 8, 10/2, that is 5, comma 45/2, that is 22.5. So that would be the answer. Now the question 4, find the ratio in which the line segment is divided by, that is the same question. You just have to use the section formula. The question 5 is also pretty similar. Okay, now this is a good question. 6th question is different, so I will be doing this. So are the vertices of a parallelogram? So parallelogram looks something like this. So this is a parallelogram AB CD. The condition for parallelogram is AB should be parallel to CD and AD parallel to BC. Length of AB should not be equal to AD, or it can be, but it is not a necessary condition. So it is 1, 2, 4, y, and it is x, 6, and D is 3, 5. So the question is, if we join these two diagonals, it always cuts between, like, these are the midpoints. Okay, so this is the midpoint of AC. If we say that it is the midpoint of AC, then its coordinate will be 1 plus x/2, comma 2 plus 6, that is 8/2, 4. And if it is midpoint of BC, so this coordinate set of coordinates should be equal to 4 plus 3 is 7/2, 3.5, comma 5 plus 5/2. So just equate these two and you will get x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 3. Okay. So the next question is find the coordinates such that AB is a diameter. Okay. So, okay, that is a simple question. Just make this point equal to midpoint of AB and you can calculate that. The next question is, it is also a simple question. You are given the ratio, but remember it is, so in this case it is AB and P is here. So AP upon AB is 3/7. So this implies AP upon PB is equal to 3/4. So in this M is 3 and N is 4. So don't take N is equal to 7 because the ratio is AP is to PB. Okay. So the next question is find the coordinate which divide. Okay, that is also a easy question. You can do this like A, B, and you have to 4 equal points. So 1 cut, 2 cut, and 3 cut. So this must be the midpoint. So its coordinate can be written as midpoint of this and this, and this point coordinate can be written as midpoint of A and P. Okay, and this point coordinate can be written as midpoint of P and B. So the next question is find the area of rhombus if its vertices are this and area of rhombus. Okay, so you just have to put the value in the formula. So in the next video we will be doing the area of triangle.